The railways had just been overtaken by an unfortunate rail accident at Fatehpur, Malwa near Kanpur on 10th of July 2011. I had rushed to the accident site instead of going to Rail Mantralaya. The intensity of pain and misery experienced by the passengers and their relatives continues to haunt me, and I have spent sleepless nights, madam. At that very moment, I took a vow to eliminate recurrence of such painful happenings. And I decided that my entire emphasis, madam, is going to be on strengthening safety, safety, and safety. The death on rail tracks just can never be tolerated, and it is not accepted. Jaan hai to jahan. I would like to reiterate my strong conviction and belief in the phrase safety never sleeps, as emphasized by Mamata Banerjee all along. I believe that safety on Indian railways has to be benchmarked against the modern railway system in the world, be it Europe or Japan. Safety standards have been remarkable in this system, with no death due to rail accidents for decades together on high-speed routes. Although I am not at all satisfied with the safety standards at the present moment, I must inform the august House that the entire railway family is equally concerned and has been making concerted efforts in this direction. The commitment made in 2001 to reduce accidents per million train kilometers from 0.55 to 0.17 has been achieved. However, our target should be zero death. I would like to inform the august House that more than 40% of consequential train accidents involving 60 to 70% of total casualties occurs at unmanned level crossings. However, funding is an issue which needs to be collectively addressed. To fast-track elimination of level crossing in the next 5 years, I would like to eliminate all the level crossings in the next 5 years. I have decided to set up a special purpose vehicle only to do this job, and I have named it Railroad Grade Separation Corporation of India. In order to achieve even higher safety standards, I decided to set up a committee on examining the current standard of safety on Indian railways and to suggest suitable benchmarks and safety protocols. Considering the zero tolerance approach in the area of nuclear science and aerospace, I felt that the best people to guide railways in determining appropriate safety protocols should be from these two areas. My dear friend Dr. Kasturi Rangan, who himself is an eminent scientist, space scientist, and to whom I am grateful, suggested the name of Dr. Anil Kakotkar to head this high-speed level safety committee, the High-Speed Railway Safety Committee. I am also grateful to Dr. Kakotkar and his team for readily accepting my request despite of their extremely busy schedule. This gesture underlines the fact that interests of people and nation are close to their hearts. The committee has submitted the report on 17th of February 2012 and have recommended far-reaching measures and safety protocols. Madam Speaker, I assure the august House that the recommendation of the committee will receive focused attention as required by way of initiating long-term approach to safety, and in line with recommendation of the committee, I propose to set up an independent railway safety authority as a statutory regulatory body.